How to connect Binance wallet to Tapswap. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Binance wallet to Tapswap. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Tapswap by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure the Telegram app is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you will see an option for 2x at the top of the coin section. Tap on that option. After that, you will be directed to the connected wallet option. Now, depending on your region, you may or may not see the Binance wallet option. If it's available, you just need to tap on Wallet Connect, then select Connect Wallet. Unfortunately, the Binance Wallet option is not available in some regions at the moment. Instead, you can connect a Ton wallet such as Tonkeeper. Once connected, you can send your Ton coin or USDT to Binance indirectly by using Tonkeeper. So that's how you can connect your Binance wallet to Tapswap. That's all for this video.